In this video, I am going to show you guys how I found $150 of profit this morning at 83% return on investment in less than 10 minutes. Okay, yes, in less than 10 minutes of works, I was able to find $150 in profit at 83% return on investment. It's a great thing for those of you guys that, because I'm actually going to show you guys the leads, okay? And the reason why I'm actually showing you the leads, I need to be 100% honest, is because I placed a huge order and I was blacklisted from the website, okay? So I said, you know what? I'm a little bit pissed off at these guys, but it's okay, you know, it's part of the game. It's a new website that I was trying, and so I'm going to share the leads with you guys. So if you guys want to actually jump into them, you are free to do it. I would not do it because, you know, a lot of people are going to see this video, maybe not a lot, but some people, and so people are definitely going to jump onto it, and the leads are eventually going to tank, okay, super fast. So yeah, because I'm going to show you exactly how I manufacture my margins with these, so I was able to find them. But like, more importantly, it's not really the leads that are important, it is, you know, the methods that I used to find the lead that is actually important, because these are potential great leads, at least two of them, two of the three leads that I found. And yeah, I'm going to show you the whole strategy that I used to find them. If you do not know me, before we start, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon. So if you are new here, subscribe, like this video so you get recommended more of those videos, and you can actually learn how to build a 7-figure Amazon business for free. I also offer paid coaching. There's a link in the description that will help you, that will tell you about all this stuff. All right, so pretty much how was I able to find these leads so fast? So the first thing that I do is, and I start my day sourcing doing this exact thing every single morning, is I checked Arbitrage Stalker. Okay, so I check Arbitrage Stalker, which is one of my this is the software that I'm developing to help you with storefront stalking. So you guys know that, you know, storefront stalking, it sucks. Okay, the reason why is because you're going to see the same leads over and over again. You're going to see a lot of leads that tanked. Why Arbitrage Stalker is so good is because you can actually track, okay, storefront that, you know, are doing online arbitrage, and you'll be notified whenever they actually add a new lead into their storefront. Okay, so I was actually, and let me just show you, because you can actually set it up on Discord, and I use it on Discord. I do not use the web GUI. So this is just an example of a server that I use to show you guys how it works. So you will receive notification whenever a lead is actually added to a storefront. You will see that you receive a notification just like this one, okay, with the keeper graph, with the ASIN, with the price, all that stuff of the lead. If there's a buy box, when you're going to receive this as soon as an item is added to a storefront. Okay, so if you want to get Arbitrage Stalker, right now you can join the wait list for the early release. Okay, that is going to come soon. But if you see this video in the future, you can join. Okay, the price will be in the description. I mean, there's going to be a link for it. So yeah, you just go to arbitragestalker.com and you'll be able to get the tool. Pretty much, you can already go over there if you want to. But yeah, this is how it shows up on Discord. Okay, you get notifications with new products all the time. Do not go and look for those products, because they are just you know, random products that it's just coming from random storefront. Okay, but this is literally, I had those two leads, okay, literally from not those two leads, but I found those two products. I received a notification for this one first, and you can see it's April 18th. I'm actually shooting this video on April 18th, so it will show you that, you know, I actually found these leads this morning. It's not really 1 p.m. It was earlier, because the server time is Central Europe, I believe. But whatever. When I actually woke up, I checked those leads and I found those leads. Okay, so the first one that I found is this one. Right, and it should be this one. Yeah, so I actually, this one was not graded, but I did not find it immediately. Right, so I actually went onto Google with this and I actually tried to find them. These results were not shown, because this is the website where I actually found them. These results were not showing when I actually did the first search. For whatever reason, it was not showing on there, okay? So I was not able to find the website, but then, you know, I actually found this lead, and this lead I was able to find it by looking on Google, okay? So I looked on Google and I found it on Corel's website, okay? Which, of course, oh, actually it was the other way around. This specific lead I was not able to find it. And this lead, the other one, I actually found the website that it was coming from. And so when I was on the website, which is, of course, I did not save it, which is this one, okay, it's Corel Brands Cookingware. Okay, I noticed that they were selling Pyrex as well. Okay, and so since they were selling Pyrex as well, I said, you know what, this lead is coming from the same storefront. Probably I can find, probably sourced everything on this website, right? And so what I did is I actually searched for this for this product. So it's Pyrex. I think I just typed Pyrex turquoise, okay, and I was able to find it. It's right there. I also noticed, by the way, that they have a promotion. You buy 6 and you save 40% on select items. All right, so it's not even 210. Okay, you get this for 160, something like this. Let's buy 10. Okay, you get this for here we go. You get this for 126. Okay, 126. So it's 251. Add tax to this, 251 times 1.07. So we get the price after tax equal 269. Okay, so we get this for 269, 270. I rounded up to 270, which is 173% return on investment. You know, the price is slightly going down, but it is fine. You know, it's still a huge return on investment. It's not selling super fast, so I would actually advise you guys to not jump onto it, because you just need 1, 2, 3 guys for it to for the price to tank, you know. But yeah, this is how I was able to find this first lead. But then I did something that you should always do when you are actually sourcing. Okay, when you're actually sourcing from a website, you discover a new website, you start sourcing from the website. I did this. Okay, I went into Seller Amp to try to find somebody where that I can actually store from stock to find more products from this website. And I think this is the guy that actually looked. I actually looked for this guy's storefront. Okay, and so what I did is you need to try to find products either from the same brand or the same category, right? And so these products are from the what is it called? The home and kitchen category, right? Because the Pyrex, here it is. Like, and this is another lead. Then let me not spoil you guys, okay? You're gonna see soon. But yeah, it's the home and kitchen category. This website is mainly selling products from the home and kitchen category. So I said, you know what? Let me actually look for products from this category to see if I can potentially find other products from that website, right? Other profitable leads. And so there's 2 ways to do it. You do it either with brands or with categories. So in this case, I did it with categories. All right. So I went to home and kitchen. Here we go. Let it load a little bit. Here we go. And I was able to find other products from the brand Pyrex. Here we go. We have 1, 2. This is another one that you can check potentially. 3. And this one was not there, so it was probably just added, because I do not remember seeing this one. And so yeah, I found more products from the brand Pyrex, and so I actually started looking for them, right? So this is the one that I actually found. So yeah, let me scroll up. So I went ahead and checked this product. This one, you know what? Let's check this one together, okay? We're gonna check this one together. I found this one as well, and let me open them for you guys. Here we go. So this one, 35% return on investment, a little bit lower return on investment, but the price has been quite flat. And you know, yes, the price used to be higher, but like the return on investment is decent. It sells a little bit faster than the other one. So you know, at first, the real, like, if I'm telling you guys the truth, at first I just wanted to buy this one, but I was not reaching the minimum requirement. I was not reaching the minimum basket size to get free shipping. So I said, you know what, let me just buy other stuff so I'll get, because this was super cheap, right? So I went ahead and found this one first, okay, which is not as good as tanking, but I said, you know what, for that price, I'll take the risk. 110% return on investment after the price actually tanked. It's not too bad. I'll jump onto it if the price keeps tanking. It's okay, like 30 units, 15 units is going to cost me, because it's 2 packs. It's going to cost me $30. It's fine, you know, like I take the risk. Best case scenario, I sell them for that amount of money. Worst case scenario, I lose a couple of bucks, but like it's fine, you know, it's totally fine. All right, and so it's a sale. I don't know how long the sale is going to last, but like it was like I did this because I will not have, by the way, I would not have purchased this product if it was from a brand that I knew all that stuff. I never sourced any Pyrex stuff or from that specific website. I mainly wanted to see if I maxed out like the quantity for 2-3 items, if they were going to cancel my order, which they did. And so if and I wanted to see if these products were going to tank, because it was not a lot of money. My order was like $200 in total, you know. So yeah, because it was this product, and then it was this product that seemed a little bit better, that I found doing the exact same thing, you know, by going into the website. And this is the product. Yes, the packaging is not the same, but it is the same SKU, 1122295. All right, if you go here, 1122295. All right, so by doing this, you know, I was able to find these products, and like let's look at the last one together, which is this one that just appeared. Okay, so Pyrex, dark blue. Let's just look at dark blue. Okay, it's 1.9 quart, I believe. So yeah, pretty easy. Okay, the only thing that you do is Pyrex dark blue. Here we go, and let's see if we can actually find it. It's not the right one. But there's more. Was it 1.9? Is this what it was? Here we go. So that's the exact one. Okay, so we get them for 160, 60% off. Yeah. Is it 60? Let's add them to cart. Let's add 10 to cart to see what's the price. What price we get them then? 96 cents times 2 times 1.07. So we get them for 206. Okay, more or less. All right. So 206. Here we go, 104% return on investment. Yes, the price is decreased a tiny bit, but it seems to stabilize at this price. And so it's so cheap that I would have actually, because it looks like it used to never be on sale. Now people are actually catching up on it. So I don't know how fast people are going to catch up on this, but if you buy a few units, you may be able to get rid, because this specific listing is selling super fast. Maybe not this specific variation, you would need to check, but you get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole strategy, you know. Arbitrage Stalker, that will give you leads daily. Okay, if you add some storefront to it, new potential leads, you're gonna discover new websites, all that stuff just by following this strategy. Super easy. This is why I believe like Arbitrage Stalker is the future of online arbitrage, 100%. Okay, no tool actually has the same features. There are some, but they're also so expensive. They do not even have all the features that we have, right? So yeah, this is why Arbitrage Stalker, game changer. I would get the tool if I were you, because it's a no-brainer. It's going to help you a lot with your strategy. So this is an easy. So just this product, how much profit it is? If we buy 15 units, 15 2-packs. It's $30 more in profit, and it even increased, because the real thing is that, you know, I said 83% return on investment on average, but like this is because this one decreased the return on investment by a lot. Okay, everything is over 100% return on investment as of right now, you know. So if you can, do not make the same mistake as me. You know, I really wanted to try this website, so that was the main reason that I did it. I did not really care of the price we were thinking. I just really wanted to see if I was able, how long it was going to ship, because it was just $200, you know, in inventory. Yes, a lot of those leads were not super great. Like, I mean, they were, because the price tank and like the return on investment was still super good. You know, the price did not tank. It was the first time that they were on sale, so if you're able to sell them fast, you should be good. And maybe, you know, the thing is that I do not know how long the sale is going to go for. So it's not a website that I think we tracked. I haven't even looked at on the target list if this website is one of the websites that we track. But yeah, it's a way to make money. You have a few leads. You can decide if you decide to purchase them or not. I gave you 4 leads. I literally gave you guys 4 leads. Okay, and I showed you guys how to actually find them. Nobody is actually doing this. Okay, I literally gave you 4 leads that you can actually purchase today. Okay, so if I were you, I would do it. Maybe not. Okay, I would actually look at if, you know, it's worth the risk for you, but like it's super cheap products. So even if it tanks, you know, it's not that bad. But yeah, like hopefully this video was helpful, and I know that it was, okay, because I showed you the exact strategy that I do every single morning to find products. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and go on and go source.